Nature has many healing powers. As the hustle and bustle of modern life takes its toll, it's important to take time to slow down and appreciate the beauty of the outdoors. Listening to nature sounds can be a great way to relax and relieve stress. Studies have shown that listening to nature sounds can help to reduce stress and anxiety. It can also help you to focus and increase your productivity. So why not take a few minutes out of your day to listen to the calming sounds of nature? Start by taking a walk outdoors, and listen to the sounds of nature around you. Try to listen to the different sounds that make up the environment, from birds chirping to the wind blowing through the trees. Or find a quiet spot outdoors and listen to nature sounds in headphones. You can find nature sounds recordings online or on apps like Spotify. You can also use nature sounds to practice mindfulness. Focus on the sound of the wind, the birds, and the rustling of the trees. Let your mind drift away and relax. Some time to listen to nature sounds and feel the stress melt away.